Hi, how you doing? Once again, it's Darren Mondrell Palmer coming to you with the third video. Hey, I tell you, you can see the location. I'm out with my family having a great time. But what we want to talk about today is we talked in the last few videos about your why and about making a decision. Now today we're going to talk about starting. Don't forget to start. I don't care where you are in your life, what transition you are making. Please start. I don't care that it's August. I don't care that it's the end of 2014. Don't wait till 2015 talking about that you're about to make a start. Start right now to love your family the way that you need to love them. Start right now choosing to take that new career path. Choose right now to enroll in school and try to be ready and prepared for the fall semester. Have a great time doing this. Embrace change. Please don't forget this. Start. Start today to be extraordinary. Choose today not to be ordinary. Extraordinary over ordinary is what this is all about. No matter where you are in your life, start today to start losing weight. Start today to start eating healthy. Start today to make the decisions that you need to make to be the influence and impact lives. We need you. The country is needing you. Your family is needing you. Your society and your community needs you more than ever. Signing off, Darren Palmer, live on location. Extraordinary over ordinary. Don't forget to start. Please keep those emails coming in. Please keep sending messages to the inbox. And please don't forget this, www.dmpenterprises.org. That is the new website. Go there. We have shared just minute things about changing your life, but you can check and find resources there. I have the new CD audio, Extraordinary Over Ordinary. Also, we got the ebook that's coming out. Please get these resources so you can dig deeper into what I'm talking about. You can see the principles of other entrepreneurs, of other people that chose to be extraordinary over ordinary. Don't forget, dmpenterprises.org is where you can find all the resources. You can find information how to book me. You can find information how to change your life. The decision will be made to be extraordinary over ordinary. I feel excited. I'm about to go get in the pool. I got my family with me. We're about to have a great time. But more importantly, I'm excited because your life is about to change. You are choosing today to make the extraordinary opportunity become a reality. God bless you. I'll talk to you later.